Hi everyone, it's been a while since I discussed off-page SEO. For the past weeks, I have been sharing about Black Friday deals and the free online training available for you. Today, I continue sharing with you another off-page SEO technique that works. And what works is by doing block commenting. What is block commenting? Does it really add to your SEO efforts? How to do it? Let's discuss in this video. Before I continue, please remember to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button to receive updates. Another way to gain higher ranking and traffic is to comment on other blog posts or articles. Find quality sites and leave a comment on their blog. At the same time, when possible, leave a link to your website. As you can see, the main goal here is to get a backlink. Backlinks are an SEO ranking factor. When you have many quality backlinks, it does help you push your search ranking higher on search results pages. Don't just go around and comment on any site. You need to make sure that you're commenting on the right ones that will send quality links and traffic to your website. So you need to do searches to look for good quality sites. When you find a suitable site, browse around the site. Check that it has good quality content. And preferably, the blog posts there have high engagement too. One of the things to consider first is those factors impacting the quality of a link prior to commenting on any blog. If not considered, you discover you've been generating spam links instead of quality links. And the consequences of that is a severe penalty by Google, which can be, for example, page rank downgrade. Once you find a good quality site, you need to check a few things. First would be to check the recency of their blog posts. That means how recent have they been blogging. Google loves fresh content. So it's better to engage on a blog post that has been published recently. Always read the blog post and article first. Then, after understanding the topic, write a meaningful comment that shares your view on that topic. You have an opinion, so share it. Write about 2 to 3 paragraphs of text, for the comment. Be relevant, descriptive, and yet concise. This can grab the attention from the blog's readers. Do note that part of the reasons search engines stop following comments is because people abuse this ranking factor. They do it by posting tons of spam comments on blogs, and usually with low quality comments like "great post" or "well done." So don't do this. Comment with the mindset that you are keen to engage with the author of the blog post. Remember, write relevant and quality comments. Many blogs allow you to leave a link to your website. So when you leave an engaging comment, readers may click on your link and this drives traffic to your website. It doesn't hurt that this link can also be a backlink. While it is well known that Google has stopped following comment links to minimize spam, and yet there seems to be some secret that Google has where quality comments do seem to matter, and those who do commenting the right way seem to be rewarded. I have personally learned this from experience. So why not give it a try? In addition, leaving your brand and link to your site can create more awareness of your business. People who read your comments and like it may actually click on the link and visit your website. So that is new traffic to your website. Also, there are other search engines that still count links in blog comments as a backlink. So this is worth a thought there. Do you have any questions about this video, about off-page SEO techniques that work, specifically blog commenting for today? Let me know in the comments below. For more videos about business, marketing, and make money online, remember to subscribe and hit the notification button to get updated whenever I publish a new video. I wish you immense wealth and success.